In both these MLA's cases, we have been discussing as a party about both the constituencies, and this was a very conscious decision that was taken by them, and this was also after a detailed study that the party has done at its own level in regards to the current positions in the constituencies, and based on that, it was more or less kind of a mutual kind of a stand, and they have decided to go to another political party, which is fine because they have the right to choose. It's a democratic process, and I have nothing to say against them. I wish them the very best. But of course, NPP also has their own candidates in that constituency, and we will do our best to ensure that we win those seats.
You see, this is a setback for the NPP in Kyrkhu.
No, not at all. As I said, that this constituencies and few other constituencies where we have done our assessment and we have found that the positions are not strong of the certain incumbent MLAs, and therefore we had discussions and the party and those MLAs then decided to leave. When we have other candidates who have already been working hard there, and they decided to come to our side. So it was a very mutual thing, and we already have candidates in those constituencies, and they'll be contesting. So, as I said, it's a mutual thing. It's not setback. It's a part of politics, and we already knew that this was going to happen about 3, 4, 5 months ago.